Manufacturers have unique risks. OutThink's 200-plus content library includes role-based, manufacturing-specific modules, from OT best practices to engineering-safe behaviors, ransomware readiness, shadow IT, password hygiene, supplier assurance, and more. And because the content is micro-learning, scenario-based, and conversational, it doesn't feel like training to your users. It feels like real-world problem-solving. Secondly, OutThink's adaptive security and awareness training doesn't treat your workforce like one big audience. It adapts to each individual based on their role, behavior, and risk level. This is done through personalized learning paths for engineering, OT, production, and office staff. Our training, available in 30-plus global languages, reacts to behavior. If someone struggles with phishing, they get tailored follow-ups. This is why companies see 99% plus completion rates and a measurable drop in risky behaviors, without taking people off the floor or slowing operations. Admins can create a campaign, select which users/groups they want to target, pick the most relevant training topics, schedule it, and let the results draw in. Our second most popular capability with manufacturing firms is our next-gen phishing simulation studio and smart nudges built directly around real user behavior. Employees don't just get tested, they get coached with contextual, timely reminders that reinforce secure habits without slowing down their productivity. Admins can send existing phishing templates via email or Teams, or even edit those templates based on their discretion. Here's where it gets more exciting. OutThink pulls live intelligence from sources like Criminal IP, VirusTotal, and Spamhaus, feeding these insights straight into the phishing simulations, nudges, and training curriculums, which you as an admin can create. So your teams aren't learning just about last year's threats, they're learning from the ones targeting you right now. All of this is visible in our real-time threat dashboard, where you can also view the phishing likelihood index and social engineering technique. This means training stays relevant, realistic, and aligned to the modern attacker. And finally, the new frontier of cyber resilience, which is OutThink's human risk intelligence and conditional access. OutThink doesn't just track training completions, it builds a 360-degree behavioral risk portrait for every user. It analyses real-world security telemetry, psychographic patterns like attention, risk-taking phishing behavior, training engagement, collaboration networks, exposure levels across IT and OT environments. Then it visualizes organizational risk in one unified drill-down view. You can see the riskiest users, teams, workflows, even high-risk clusters inside production lines. And here's the best part. OutThink can recommend or even automate risk-based access decisions. Session limits, re-authentication, conditional access, all aligned to least privilege, all informed by real behavior. It's the most advanced evolution of HRM today, turning human behavior into a measurable, manageable, and improvable security control. If you would like to connect to see how our product can fulfill your security needs the best, book a demo with us today.